Here's how to convert to JPEG for free. So I created this app called ConvertSave, and it does exactly that. It converts your files and then saves them. So it works for images, video, and audio on Mac and Windows, and it works offline on your desktop. So we could grab like an HEIC file or a PNG file, maybe even just both of these. I can drag and drop them into ConvertSave, select JPEG as my output, and just hit convert. And it literally saves them right next to where those files came from. If you're watching this video, you can actually use this for free with the link in the description down below. Hopefully you find it useful. I created this with my brother. He's the developer. I'm more the designer. And so I use this all the time now to convert my files. And like I said, there's like hundreds of different conversions. Also, if you want JPEG, that version of JPEG, you can actually use that as well. Thanks for the support, you guys. Try it for free down below, and I'll see you in the next one.